What's going on, guys? Dr. Guts here with another day of Airsoft at Augusta Airsoft in Stewart's Draft, Virginia. So, today, we actually brought our friend here, Hector, who I'm talking to right now. And it's his first day playing Airsoft. Pretty cool. I love getting new people into the sport. So, basically today, we started out playing in Squirrel Town as usual, getting a good warm-up game in. I started out using my UMP, my Elite Force, H&K UMP Elite Series, and it ends up dying on me during these games here in Squirrel Town. So during the video, after these first little few games, you'll see me using my ICS G33 for the remainder of the day.
You ready? You ready?
We also actually got to use the new Enola Gay frag grenades today. You actually don't see me throw any in this video, but right at the beginning of the video, once we start running, you will see one explode. They're pretty sweet. If you guys haven't got to use them yet,
Actually, let's
I would say definitely check them out.
This one.
Yeah, plan it.
Without further ado, the game's about to start. Let's get going.
We're gonna tighten up. Ready? One whistle. Book it. Here it goes.
Ready? Yeah!
Fast hitter.
So right here, I pick up that guy, and there's BBs just smashing the side of my building into the window. So I decided to move around to the back and regroup with a teammate here. As we are pinned down, so this is kind of a bad position for us to be in. I decided to make a move over to the bank with some suppressive fire help from my teammates.
Nice and good.
Yeah, it's not a very good spot.
Can you suppress while I run to the bank?
Where?
I'm gonna run right there. You want to suppress for me?
Yeah, you ready?
Go. Whoa! Holy crap! This guy got a line right here. He shot right past the door.
Still in a bad position, but a slightly better one. They're shooting past the door here, but at least in this spot, I can get an angle on some of them, which is actually what ends up happening here.
He shot this way. Okay.
Right here, I noticed the guy running with the objective back to his base, and I roll over here to stop him, but he ends up making it. That's the end of the game.
Whistle. It happens every game.
All right, guys, you all ready?
Hey, right here. Oh. The grenade just went off right in the middle.
I got one. I got one. Oh, hey, they're hitting this. They're hitting this. Cover me. I'm gonna run. All right. Suppress the building behind the police station. I'm gonna run. Go. Push, push, push. Where are they at? There's a guy on the barricade. There's a guy on the barricade.
So I'm not sure if the objective is still inside of the library there. So I need to move up to verify because I don't want them to get a free push on it. When I move up, I notice it's right there. If you look in the library right here, you can see the package there. So I know it's still safe in there, so they haven't been running with it yet. So that's good. If you look right behind the library on the corner, there's actually an enemy right there. I do see them, but I know they can't hit me through the windshield, so I know I'm fine right here.
Yeah. Alright. Hey, the furthest building in the middle. 10-4.
So I try to make a move on this guy behind the building. And he has a way better angle and I pay for it. So here, this is the force on force game type. And with this, we have this big box here. And instead of bringing it to our base, we have to push it into their base. So it's like a reverse tug of war style. And it utilizes the entire field from Squirrel Town to Badgerville. So Austin made a push for it, brought it back very, very quickly. So we have control. And we decided to push it through the pine side. And try to get it in relatively quickly with the squad backing us.
Here, look, I got it, Leo.
Oh my god.
Right through the thorn bush right here. Yep.
Through.
Let's push up this way to the left. You want to go left?
No. I want to push mid.
Yeah. Right here? Right across?
Huh?
Right across?
The call to push mid that my teammate made was actually a very good call.
Hold on.
They ended up pushing pines on the left side, so we would have walked into a heavy resistance if we would have went that way.
Down.
We noticed two guys in the wood line. So I take them out, and we just keep moving.
Here. Quickly. We go faster. We have a free shot. Let's keep going.
So as we're moving up, I noticed enemies right there pulling out to the right. They didn't see us at all.
Run. Captain, let's go.
Right here is the building we have to get the objective to. And right here is the only enemy defending.
Hit!
We didn't make it.
Whew. It's a press right there, baby.
Thanks, boys.
No problem.
I see me walk back.
We got 60 seconds here to wait. Either way. We were that close. We were this close to the win. No!
So right here, me and Hector are actually flanking through pines to push onto their spawn, which is Badgerville.
There's our chance, Hector.
This is actually the third game type of the day, which is a domination style
I can't run because I'm too loud.
with two flags. One's in Lagos and one's back in Dogtown. The enemies at this point have control of both, so we're just trying to break their line. Hector engages some enemies here, and I just decide to slowly push up.
Yo, watch out.
Hector takes a little bit of fire there, gets down.
We're across.
I know there's at least two more back there, but I wasn't going to be able to hit them from that angle at that distance. So I decided to start pushing, and I know Hector's going to start pushing towards them, so I'm going to make a move for their base.
I got two.
See, that's an enemy right there, moving up on Hector. So I switch my gun to semi and just pop a shot at him real quick. I shoot at them and they just kind of scatter, so I pull away. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below, and I will see you all in the next video.
No, go back.